Home security is a top priority for homeowners in Dallas, where crime rates and extreme weather conditions can make homes vulnerable to break-ins and damage. One of the most overlooked aspects of home security is the strength and quality of your windows. If your windows are outdated, have weak locks, or are made of single-pane glass, your home could be at risk. Investing in modern, high-security window replacements can enhance your home's safety, durability, and energy efficiency. Here's how upgrading your windows can provide better protection for your Dallas home. Reinforced glass for better protection. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass, are easier to break, making them an easy target for intruders. New replacement windows offer enhanced security features, including impact-resistant glass. These windows are designed to withstand breakage from forceful impacts, such as break-in attempts or flying debris from storms. Tempered glass. When broken, tempered glass shatters into small, dull pieces instead of sharp shards, reducing the risk of injury and making it harder for intruders to gain entry. Laminated glass. A plastic interlayer between glass panes holds the glass together even when shattered, preventing easy access. By installing reinforced glass, you create an additional barrier that makes your home less vulnerable to break-ins and severe weather conditions. Advanced locking mechanisms for added security. Many older windows have weak or outdated locks that are easy to bypass. Modern window replacements come with advanced locking systems to enhance home security, including multi-point locking systems. These locks secure the window at multiple points, making it much harder to force open. Keyed locks and smart locks. Some high-security windows feature key-operated or smart locks for added protection. Hidden or tamper-resistant locks. These locks are designed to be difficult for burglars to manipulate from the outside. Installing windows with state-of-the-art locking mechanisms can greatly reduce the chances of unauthorized entry into your home. Stronger frames for increased durability. Window frames play a crucial role in home security. Older wood or aluminum frames can weaken over time, making them easier to pry open. Newer window frames offer better protection and durability, such as vinyl windows, low maintenance and weather resistant, with reinforced frames for added security. Fiberglass windows, extremely strong and resistant to warping, cracking, or breaking. Aluminum or composite frames, designed for high durability and resistance against forced entry. Upgrading to stronger window frames adds another level of security while also improving your home's energy efficiency and weather resistance. Storm-resistant windows for severe weather protection. Dallas homeowners must also consider severe weather threats, such as strong winds, hailstorms, and even tornadoes. Storm-resistant windows provide protection from both natural disasters and break-ins by featuring impact-rated glass that resists shattering in extreme conditions, heavy-duty framing materials that hold up against strong winds, secure seals that prevent water leaks and structural damage. By installing hurricane and storm-resistant windows, you can protect your home from both human and environmental threats. Enhanced privacy and security features. Beyond glass and frame strength, new windows offer privacy-enhancing features that deter intruders, including tinted or frosted glass. Prevents outsiders from seeing inside your home. reducing the risk of targeted break-ins. One-way reflective glass allows you to see outside while keeping your interior hidden from view. Security screens and window films, additional layers of protection that reinforce glass strength and prevent tampering. These features not only increase privacy but also provide extra layers of security to keep your home and family safe. Smart windows and home automation integration. Modern security solutions go beyond physical reinforcements. Many new window installations can be integrated with smart home security systems, offering features like window sensors, alerting you when a window is opened unexpectedly. Remote locking systems, allowing you to lock or unlock windows from your smartphone. Security cameras and motion detectors, providing real-time monitoring of your windows. By integrating smart security technology, you can monitor and control your windows remotely, enhancing home security. Increasing property value with high-security windows. Replacing your windows isn't just about security, it's also an investment that can increase your home's value. Potential buyers prioritize homes with modern security features, making high-quality window replacements a selling point. Benefits include higher resale value due to improved security and energy efficiency. Attractive curb appeal with stylish, modern window designs. Lower insurance premiums, as many insurers offer discounts for impact-resistant windows. Final thoughts. Secure your Dallas home with window replacement. Upgrading to high-security windows is one of the most effective ways to protect your home, reduce break-in risks, and enhance safety in Dallas. With features like impact-resistant glass, advanced locking systems, and storm protection, modern window replacements offer unparalleled security and peace of mind. If you're ready to improve your home's security with professional window replacement, consult with a trusted window specialist in Dallas. Investing in high-quality, security-enhanced windows today will help protect your home and loved ones for years to come.